Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Parminder and I'm a makeup artist in New Delhi. So today I'm going to review the Forever52 Pro Artist Foundation. This is the Ultra Definition Foundation. If you want to see the review for this one, I have it on my channel. I'm going to make it easier for you and attach in the eye above. So coming back to this foundation, this is way more different than the other one. And this is available on Nykaa and as well as on the Forever52 website. But if you're looking for this one offline to match your shade, then this is available offline as well. I got mine from Pretty Cosmo. This is in Rajouri Garden and they have a huge range of makeup. These days this is available on many Nykaa stores also, so you can easily get your hands on this one. So first things first, I'm going to show how I found my match.
So this is the Pretty Cosmo store which is in Rajouri Garden. Once you enter the store, you will see different brands of makeup. I went to the Forever52 kiosk and I asked the attendant to match my shade. As you can see, there are also skincare products there. Like any other store, attendant ने जो शेड था वो मेरे हाथ पे मैच करना शुरू करा. But it is your responsibility to match the shade on your face as well. I asked her to dab the foundation on my face also. Since ये मैंने 6 महीने पहले लिया था, it was matching me perfectly. But because of the traveling, this is a little lighter for me. But as a professional, I know how to work it. So there are other products of Forever52 hair as well. So you can grab the eyeshadows, pigments, lipsticks, compacts, loose powders. You can get everything here. मैंने कुछ pigments भी लिए Forever52 के, and there was also Viseart here for which I matched the shade here. So this is not any kind of promotion for this store. I simply liked it. That is why I'm recommending you guys.
As you can see, the Pretty Cosmo store is quite huge and you will get all kinds of makeup there. So let's see how this one performs on the skin. So when it comes to the packaging, this comes in a glass frosted bottle and it also has a pump, which is great because it gives you the control on how much you want it. Okay, so this is thicker in consistency. We can clearly see. I'm taking few pumps of it. Actually एक ही पंप आया है 3 पंप्स के बाद. And also the packaging reminds me जो इनका दूसरा foundation, liquid foundation है Ultra Definition. This is also in frosted, but I guess उसकी quantity ज़्यादा है. Let me just check. This one is 60 ml and this one is 30 ml. This retails for 1600 rupees and this is about 900. Usually they both are on a good discount on Nykaa and on their Forever52 website, and you can definitely grab them on hot deals. I'm starting with the application. I'm taking a damp beauty blender and I'm dabbing it like this. So the shade is a little lighter, but no worries, we'll work it. We'll add a little bronzer, a little contour, and this will work. As you can see that the coverage is quite good. A little goes a long way, which I like. This side of my face does not require that much coverage, but I have a few pimples going around here. Let me see how this works on them. It is hiding quite well. I have not applied anything. I have just applied my moisturizer and primer. The primer that I have used is e.l.f. I will link it down below for you guys. And you can see the coverage is quite good. But also I've finished it on just half of my face and also the forehead, which is quite okay. So we are going to take a small pump again. And I'm also covering my eyelids to see how the coverage is because I have quite a panda eyes. Let's see how this covers. I'm going to do a transfer test for you guys. I'm going to grab a phone and let's see. Okay, it transferred, but I expected this because I have not set it yet. I have not applied anything on my face, no translucent powder, no setting powder. Let me set it and then we'll see if it passes the test or not. So now that I've set my base, let's do the transfer test again. It is transferring a little bit, but I have not applied any setting spray yet. So this is what my makeup looks at the end. I have set it, I have done my base. This is not transferring anymore. The good part is I did not color correct today, which is a huge thing for me because I have quite a panda eyes. So I have worn this foundation earlier and it lasts on your skin for around 8 to 10 hours. Please keep in mind that it also depends on what kind of skin you have and in what kind of weather you are. Like it is winters almost, and foundations tend to stay on your skin in winters longer as compared to summers. Now it is your turn to tell me what you feel about this foundation. You have seen the finish, you have seen the application, you have seen the coverage. Comment down your thoughts in the comment section below, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button because it will mean the absolute world to me. We will meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.